fritter. Maybe I'll put 2 if I'm hungry. This is kind of optional. Is yogurt with the dry mint and rose petal. Just gonna drop a bit of that in top. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm planning to make a food which is basically salmon, which marinated in soy sauce and few other ingredients. I'm gonna cook it first time in air fryer. Also I'm gonna make some fritter from using kohlrabi, which is a new vegetable which I come across. And I hope you enjoy watching this video, and hopefully you can try it as well and enjoy it with your family and friend. Let's get started. As I mentioned, we need kohlrabi, 1, and we need garlic, red onion, just 2 carrots, some eggs. Spices I have, this is going to be vegetarian, therefore people they can use. Therefore we have vegeta, turmeric, sweet paprika, and a bit of hot chili, cumin powder, and this is 50 grams of the linseed which I grinded. We have a bit of I'm going to use a bit of coriander and parsley as well. I'm gonna grate all of those carrot and kohlrabis, and then grate some of the cheese as well. With first peeling our kohlrabis. Now it's the time for carrot. We're going to just peel and just grate them. Those parsley is washed. I just chop the stems, and that small bunch is enough. A bit of coriander the same. There's 1 coriander washed before. Ginger. That's enough. You can use, if you don't have fresh ginger, you can use the paste. But of course fresh ginger and garlic are always better. But if you can't, if you don't have time, it's faster. Small one. That's ginger. Now our garlic. Our onion finally. Good. Now it's time to add spices. That is, as I said, grounded linseed or flaxseed, sweet paprika. I add 1 good teaspoon turmeric, the same 1 good teaspoon. Vegeta, the same 1 good size teaspoon. Cumin, I add 2. 1, 2. Cheese I'm gonna grate now. I'm gonna weigh it. As I said, I'm planning to around 50 grams of cheese to add to the mix. Okay, let's see what we have here. 20, yeah, 50. 57 grams, that's okay, close enough, good enough. And one ingredient which I didn't mention, which is important, instead of flour to bind it together, I'm gonna use chickpeas flour. This is high in fiber and high in protein and low in carbohydrates. It has enough carbohydrates still, which is good. We need some carbohydrate. If I put another 50 grams of that one as well. Oh, it's a bit too much. Take some. Good enough. Same amount of cheese. We add our eggs. Ooh. Excellent. Now mix it together. Things I haven't added and is optional. A bit of hot chili, which I put just 1/4 of teaspoon. But if you don't like it spicy, don't put that. Start mixing. Right, I'm gonna turn on the frying pan in not too high heat. Just add some olive oil. And I'll start to make the fritter, bind it together like this. Bigger. Put it all in the middle. A piece of the salmon. I'm gonna marinate it. Very simple. Some chili flake. Then add some of the ginger paste, or you can add fresh ginger. And some garlic paste. Then add some sesame oil. And finally, we're gonna add some soy sauce. Just mix them together. Just half an hour, or depends when you want to cook it, but it doesn't take that much to that marinade penetrate. Half an hour is enough, and then you can cook. All right, our fish already marinated here. Just gonna put them in tray and just cook them. I'm gonna put the skin first up. Now they put the fish in tray and inside the air fryer. There's a lid, set the air fryer, change the time to 10 and maybe temperature 180, and we get a start. Just quickly gonna stop this because look at this, how lovely that's looking. I'm just gonna flip them over and just for maybe 2 minutes just grill other side as well. Flip them over, let's say 2 minutes. Air fry. There's already set, this one has really good, already have set up for fish. Only I change the time. I'll put it 2 minutes. Right, 2 minutes is finished. We're just gonna check the fish. It looks, I'm gonna try a bit and see how they look like, and if they're cooked we're gonna start putting food together. Just gonna try a bit of that fish. It's lovely. Cook very well. Let's put it together. Fish first. Fritter. Maybe I'll put 2 because I'm hungry. This is kind of optional, is yogurt with the dry mint and rose petal. It's gonna drop a bit of that in top. A bit of parsley, a bit of coriander. The food came together quite nice. The fritter with the yogurt is fantastic. You should try it. The way also they cook the salmon in air fry, it was really good. It's hardly use any oil, and actually fish was cooked in 12 minutes, which is amazing. And it's really healthy and nutritious food, which it's good for your body and your soul. I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please don't forget to give it a thumb up, share it with your family and friend, and subscribe to my channel if you want to watch that kind of recipes and activity I do to have better quality and healthier lifestyle. Thank you again for giving your time to me, and I'm looking forward to see you until next video. Please keep active, eat healthy, and be curious. Bye for now.